Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you step by step how to create this beautiful lotus pond resin art using the brown box lotus pond resin art kit. We've provided a circular MDF sheet in the kit. First, we are using molded clay to create a raised boundary all around the edge of the sheet. This will hold our resin in place and give the pond a realistic, 3D look. Next, paint the inner surface of the MDF in shades of green and blue. This will give the illusion of water depth in your pond. Use a blending technique for a natural gradient effect. Now it's time to make the lotus leaves using molded clay. Shape them into circular forms with slight curves and with the help to toothpick design it properly to look like a leaf. Place them to dry and then color it. Make a thin sheet of molded clay by rolling it. Then cover the cutout with clay. After covering both the cutouts with clay, insert a small part of ice cream stick to make it look like a boat. Our boat is ready now. Leave it to dry. Mix red and green color to make a brown shade. Color the boat with this brown color. Now to make a lotus, use the molds given in the kit. Stack the lotus cutouts with the help of glue. Leave it to dry. Mix red and white color to make a light pink shade. Using this light pink shade, color the lotus. You can make other things like fish, tortoise, etc. using clay. Mix the resin and hardener in a ratio of 2:1, which you will already have in the kit. Stir slowly for a few minutes until it's clear. Carefully pour the resin over your pond design. Now gently put the boat, leaves, lotus and fish. And that's it. Your lotus pond resin art is complete. Now leave it to dry. This art is sure to sparkle up your space and bring a calming, nature-inspired vibe to your home. Thank you.